You have some una say una mothers una go on with some little things when I write. Una carrying man pan the pit them and a label them and them as uncle. Una need to stop it and get to no acts together. Una if you understand so una mash up the pit them mind. I want to just sit down and pray the video good. Cause I want when it done I start talk una go on like on a last on a way. So there and then Sunny Spoon press play and make the video you run.
Alright, Dann-i, Sunny Spoon, but this a woman you're bright. Alright. You want catch the wise, one like you're dumb. Want see the lies, watch the eyes, not the tongue. Read between the lines, the back and the front. When your daughter or your son, say to the uncle come. When me here come, me know is a pun. Jah know say me hope is a joke in my run. You mother nah have no brother, mind they a lock down. Who know they gone a foreign, I must be cook she a bun. Uncle come today, the son say uncle come today. Yeah, him give me 3 balloon, make me watch cartoon. Then lock up in your room all day, give mommy company come today. He bring the whole of country come today. Yeah, make Dr. Miss soup and some of juice. Then lock up in your room all day, give mommy company. Reaching, she changed from the bed. See me like a son ice cream, drain from the spread. I want know where she a think in her little head. When in my room stink, like when sitting dead. Situation sticky and Nancy Webb. So me light up a split, me try balance my med. Cause when me spot the icky pan her hand and she leg, me little son vice start rebiting on me head. Say uncle come today, my son
See there, are the same thing me they are talk about. Some of una say una mothers una go on with some little things with the pit them when I write. Una live a yard with the pit them and them father, and at the same time when the father them gone, una carrying different man for the pit them. I una need to stop it. The wickedest part about it is that when the pit them ask una say mummy or who them and you know make the pit them know say uncle come. And the worst part about it is that me no know how them come by be the pit them uncle, because number one una and them and a brother by mother side. Una and a brother by father side, and una a brother by church because una baptized in a church now way. So there and then una need to get to know together and stop mash up the poor pit them mind. One have to understand is that the pit they live what they learn. So there and then if that them come up con sooner, the more than likely the same thing them a can do. The poor pit them is so confused that when they go to school, some of them can't even learn them lesson and them can't perform up to the best of them ability. And when them now do that, uno say wanna beat them to get them acts together when uno need to get to know acts together. And me make uno know so uno need to stop it. Uno have to understand say if uno have uno man live with uno still decide so uno have to keep man pan them. Me can't tell you no what to do because to each his own. But if you have to keep on a man them, you try find another place and carry them instead of in the house pan the pit them. If you have to carry them someone, you can carry them a seaside. If you don't want to carry them a seaside, you can carry them a bush go lie down make couch bite you know. If you don't want to carry them a bush, you can carry them a hotel. And if you can't afford hotel, you can carry them a motel. And if you can't carry them a motel, you can carry them a inn. And if you can't carry them a inn, you can find a ass table somewhere about and find one decent A-stock for go lay down in and not go be the first or the last. Cause I know one Jesus did born in. But anyone to take it to try find somewhere else carry no man them instead of the yard in front the pit them. Cause me make you know say it not good pan the poor pit them. You have to understand say the pit them don't respect them father when they are the yard. So there and then me make you know say then nowadays pit them is far from stupid. You can't carry man pan the pit them and make them know say uncle come and have man a sweeten them up and give them balloon and I give them candy and treats and this and that. And I left them sit down in the living room for watch cartoon when una man gone in a room gone do una have to do. And I make the pit them know say una uncle in a room and relax. I want to know say the pit them is far from idiot. So there and then no need for sort out them little mats there and get to know ask them together. I mean I want to know make me have to tell you no too much more about this situation yeah. Alright.
Uncle come today, the son said uncle come today.